Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at Soursop Pure Liquid Drops. Sounds fancy, doesn't it? This supplement claims it can help your cells thrive at their absolute best while gently supporting natural regeneration and rejuvenation. Because clearly, your cells have just been sitting around being lazy until this specific liquid showed up to motivate them. But here's the big question. Is it actually legit, or just another bottle of expensive hope? Let's go through it together. First up, the good signs. The product is available on Amazon. Apparently, being hosted by a giant retail machine adds a layer of trust, because we all know the internet is famous for its lack of sketchy products. Another thing I like is that they clearly list all the ingredients. That's actually a big deal because if you have allergies or any sensitivities, you can easily decide whether it's right for you without playing a game of medical Russian roulette. It also shows they care about transparency and the general health of their customers, which is a refreshing change of pace. Now, what are people actually saying about it? I checked through the reviews on Amazon and, wow, this supplement has an impressive 4.6-star rating. Customers are absolutely loving it. Many buyers mentioned it tastes good and is easy to use, providing a nice health boost for their immune system and gut health. It turns out people really enjoy supplements that don't taste like liquid cardboard. The drops come in a dark bottle to protect them from the light, very mysterious, and they are free from unnecessary additives. Plus, the packaging is solid, featuring clear lot numbers and expiration dates, so you know exactly when your journey to peak health officially expires. People also love how quickly it absorbs. You can take it straight from the dropper or mix it into a drink if you want to feel like a backyard chemist. Some even bought the 2-bottle pack to share with their family, because nothing says, "I love you," like a shared dropper of Soursop. One bottle lasts about a month, so it's pretty good value for the price. So is Soursop Pure Liquid Drops legit? From everything I've seen, yes. It's on a trusted platform, the ingredients are transparent, and the reviews are glowing. Of course, results may vary, much like my motivation on a Monday, but overall, it looks like a high-quality supplement worth trying. Thanks for sticking around until the end.